Ready to dive into video creation? This guide will walk you through your first CapCut project, step by step. Begin by opening CapCut. Tap the large plus icon to kickstart a brand new project. This is your creative gateway. Next, you'll see your media library. Select the video clips and photos you wish to include in your project. Tap your chosen files, then press Add. Observe the timeline below your selected media is now laid out. You can drag and drop these clips to arrange them into your desired story flow. To adjust the length of a clip, tap it. White handles will appear at its start and end. Drag these handles inwards to trim the clip to your preferred duration. Enhance your video with text. Select the text option, choose Add Text, and type your message. Position it on the preview screen and manage its timing on the timeline. Sound is crucial for impact. Tap Audio. Here you can access music from CapCut's library or upload your own audio files. Your selected audio will appear as a new track. You can adjust its volume or trim it, mirroring the process for your video clips to achieve perfect synchronization. Before finalizing, play your entire video, review the visuals and audio to ensure everything aligns with your creative vision. Satisfied with your creation? Tap the Export button, usually found in the top right corner. Select your export settings, such as resolution and frame rate, then confirm by tapping Export again. CapCut will now process your video. Once finished, you can save it to your device or share it instantly. Congratulations on completing your first CapCut video project.